Okay, so this is take number 3, trying to start this video out, and I haven't been doing a very good job. So today I'm going to be making a layout from a page kit that you saw me put together in the previous video. I did pull some embellishments to use with it from a box of random things that I found while I was unpacking my scrapbook room. So that's fun. I am going to be using papers from Echo Park, and I think that polka dot paper might be from Crepe Paper. I am scrapbooking 2 photos from Disneyland in California today. One of a giant sugar, like it was giant. It was the size, it was bigger than my hand, I'm pretty sure. Looking at that picture, I think it's bigger than my hand. It was a huge sugar cookie. But I am a huge fan of the Disney sugar cookies. They are quite possibly one of my favorite things to get there. Oh, sorry, I was tangled in a microphone cord. So I'm using some paper from Echo Park's various Disney themed collections. I don't know if um, they're all from the same collection or not. They could be from different ones. And I'm scrapbooking a picture of a giant Mickey sugar cookie and a delicious iced coffee that I had while I was there. The iced coffee was from California Adventure, and the sugar cookie was from, I guess, just Disneyland. I don't think they have a special name for it. The California Adventure iced coffee is from the Ghirardelli store if you are ever looking for delicious coffee. That is definitely where I found it, and it was so good. And I had it with this brownie, and oh, so good. Oh, right. I was looking for my adhesive because I had put it away. Oh, and there's my kitty cat. That's my cat. That's Caramel. She came to say hi, and then she's gonna sit on my desk for the rest of the video, but I don't think she'll be in the video. That's my girl. She might come visit more now that my scrapbooking room is not in a basement because she didn't like the basement. So she does spend the rest of the video sitting on my desk looking out the window. If there are any weird shadows or anything, I don't know. I've been trying to use the Tim Holtz tonic trimmer. Here's the thing. I can't make it cut straight. I line it up at the top. I put it over at the bottom. I also can't make it cut where I want it to cut. Like, yeah. I can't ever get the size that I want it to be without measuring, and that drives me a little crazy. So, the tonic trimmer and I have not been getting along as of late. I am definitely going to go back to my Caterpillar trimmer because this trimmer and I just aren't friends. I've tried to like it, and I like it. I like the way that it cuts. It cuts beautiful, but I can't. Yeah, no. I'm not a big fan of measuring, and also where the 6 inches isn't marked out on the trimmer. So if I wanted to make like a photo mat, for example, it's very difficult to do that because I mark it at 6 1/4 or sometimes 6 1/8, and that's not marked on the trimmer. So I'm doing something that I used to do a lot, and that is matte pattern paper in a big block. So I cut down that polka dot paper to 11 3/4 squared. That's usually what I will cut it down to as a square. Sometimes I will go down to like 11, or sometimes I'll go down to 11. Sometimes I will do 10 and then mat the 10-inch square with a 10 1/2 inch square. But I don't do that very often. but I have been known to do so. Oh, sorry, my headphone cord was being pulled. I'm really sorry. I can't tell you where most things are from. I could guess. I know that XOXO is from a crepe paper collection. I don't know which one. The butterflies, I think might be from a pink paisley collection. They're just gold foil butterflies though. There's nothing remarkable about them. Um, they're just regular gold foil butterflies. So this layout, there's my kitty again. She's a sweet cat. She's a very good girl. I think I am going to play with her for a second. Sorry. And then I think I remove her because she's standing under the camera. Or I encourage her to move. Yep, I remove her. She's a good cat. So, oh right, this layout was really quick. It came together in about 20, I'm going to say 20 minutes because I did have to go search for my adhesive and then I played with the cat for a while. So the actual layout probably only took me about 20 minutes to do. Oh, the 6x6 papers that I used, I don't know where they're from. They came from Scrapbook and Cards Today sampler kit. I've been trying to use those up because they're just sitting and I have so many of them that I haven't used. I actually ended up canceling it because I have so many. So I'm just going to add some more embellishments onto this. I've been obsessed with using these holographic labels. I love them and I'm going to run out of them. I love them so much. I got them on clearance at Michael's probably about a year ago. And oh my goodness, they're just the best things ever. You're going to see them feature on a lot of layouts coming up because they're sitting on my desk and I can't not use them because they're amazing. So this layout, I'm using that cut apart card that's titled I'm just here for the food. I thought it was applicable because I love that food. Those little butterflies are from the Bella Boulevard Illustrated Faith collection from one of them. I got them on sale at Michael's when Michael's was clearing them out. So I bought almost all of the Illustrated Faith items that they had left in stock at the Michael's that I went to. So I do have a bunch of it. Some of it I won't be able to use on layouts because it is very Bible journaling oriented. But like butterflies, you use butterflies on anything. And I think I have some flowers that are the same, epoxy flowers. I really wanted to use that coffee cup, but the colors just did not match. However, I do use it on the layout coming up. Yes, a layout coming up soon. I was just looking to see where it was in my library of videos. It should be the next one that you see. Because, fun story, I thought I had filmed a layout and I made it and everything, and then I reached up to turn the camera off and turned the camera on. So that layout did not get recorded for you. I'm sorry. I will post pictures of it on my Instagram though. And my Instagram is always linked down below. So that is the layout. I do go back and add some journaling off camera just about how much I like this coffee and sugar cookies. But that is everything. So I thank you all very much for watching with me today. And I will be back soon, as always, to share more videos with you. And thank you so much. I will see you soon. Bye.